As a Brazilian dancer and having had Carnival experience over 18 years, I decided to create an immersion trip to the Rio de Janeiro Carnival. Understanding people's desire to get to know Rio de Janeiro and wanting to participate in the biggest open-air party in the world, which is the Rio de Janeiro Carnival. Elle organized a unique and unforgettable carnival program experience to be able to enjoy the best things from the roots of Brazilian customs, which is samba, the drinks and food, the parties, the samba classes, the history of how we created carnival, getting to know the samba school barraqueo, a day of photoshoot with samba costumes, parading in 2 samba schools and watching the carnival parade. This way, you can return home with a full taste of what its visit Rio de Janeiro looks like in the best way possible. All you need to say is, I want to live this experience. Let's be part of Arruda's Rio Tour Carnival experience.